Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we continue chapter 3 with last subtopic 3.4, applications in arithmetic and geometric sequences. Okay, after this lesson, I hope all of you will be able to solve problem involving arithmetic and geometric sequences in business and economics. Okay, now take out your note and we will start now. We go to first question. There are two temporary jobs, A and B. Job A lasts for 3 months and job B 12 weeks. Job A pays 400 per month with a 100 raise each month. Job B pays 100 per week with a 5 ringgit raise each week. Which job is the better paying job? Okay, so we look at job A. Job A lasts for 3 months, so means it use N equals to 3. Pays 400 per month, so our first term is 400 with RM 100 raise each week, so refer to D equals to 100. And for job B, lasts for 12 weeks, so means N equals to 12. Pays 100 per week, so A start with 100 and 5 ringgit raise each week, so means D equals to 5. Okay, to check which job is the better paying job, so we need to calculate the total amount for each job. So to calculate the total amount, so we use formula for sum. Okay, we go to first job, job A. Job A lasts for 3 months, so we use formula S3 equals to, this one is arithmetic, so remember the formula, N over 2, so 3 over 2, 2A, our A is 400, plus N minus 1D. N minus 1, so become 2 and D is 100. Then we calculate 3, cancel out 2, so 500. So the total amount for job A is RM 1500. Okay, now we find for job B. Job B is last for 12 weeks, so S12, so 12 over 2 times with 2A. A is 100 plus N minus 1, so 11D. Okay, then we calculate 6, 200 plus 55. Then we get total RM 1530. So job B is the better paying job. We conclude job A pays RM 1500 and job B pays RM 1530. So job B is the better paying job. This question I skip, so you can try it first. Next question, number 3. The purchase value of an office computer is 12,500. Its annual depreciation is 1,875. Find the value of the computer after 6 years. Okay, now question given the purchase value. So starting value for office computer is 12,500. This one refer to A. A 12,500. Its annual depreciation is 1,875. Annual depreciation means common difference is negative 1,875. Why negative? Since this one is depreciation. Okay, find the value of the computer after 6 years. Okay, after 6 years means we find T, N equals to 6. And after 6 years means we want to find term 6. Okay, so T6. So formula for T6, A 12,500 plus N minus 1, so 5, and D is negative 1,875. So the value after 6 years is RM 31 0.25. So we conclude the value of the computer is RM 3125 after 6 years. Question number 4. Ah Chan save RM50 in January, RM100 in February, RM200 in March and so forth by doubling his savings every month for 1.5 years. Find how much he saved in the month of October. Okay, we can create sequence from this story. He saved RM50 in January, so 50 is a first term. Next month he saved 100 and next month he saved 200 and so on. From this sequence, we can find A 50. Since doubling, so we use geometric. R common ratio is 2. Okay, now question asks to find how much he saved in the month of October. This one is January, first month. Now we want to find in the month of October, means we want to find 10 months of this year. So we find T10. T10, we use formula for geometric, is A is 50, R 2 power of 10 minus 1. So we get answer RM. So we get answer 25,600. So we can conclude he saved RM 25,600 in the month of October. We go to question number 5. The price of the tin of milk powder increases by 3% at the end of each year. If the current price of a tin milk powder is 38 ringgit, find the price of a tin of milk powder after 5 years. If question is given increases or decreases by percent, so this type of question we use geometric sequences. Question given current price of a tin milk powder is 38 ringgit. So the first term is 38 ringgit. And to find R, we use percent that given by this question. Question given increases by 3% means we take 100% plus with 3%. So our R is 1.03. Okay, and question asks to find price of a tin of milk powder after 5 years, means that we want to find T term, Tn. So we use formula Tn equals to AR power of n minus 1. And question asks to find after 5 years, means we find T6 after. So to find T6, we substitute value for A. A is 38 ringgit. R is 1.03 and power 6 minus 1. Then we solve 38 ringgit. 1.03 power of 5. Then we calculate, we get 44.05. Then we conclude the price of a tin of milk powder after 5 years is RM 44 ringgit and 5 cent. Okay, now we go to the last question. Each year, the price of car depreciates by 10% of the value at the beginning of the year. If the original price of the article was 50,000, find its price after 10 years. Okay, this type of question is also given in percent. So, when given in percent, so we use geometric sequences. So, for this question, I skip and I hope all of you can try to solve it. And you will get answer RM 17,433 ringgit and 92 cent. This question for your exercise. If you have any problem, you can ask your lecturer. Okay, we already finished chapter 3 sequences. So that's all from me. Thank you everyone.